Thank you for joining us. We're Jack and Mary, and we're full-time RVers traveling the country and exploring new places. I'm also an artist, and we're always looking to capture our adventures on canvas. So come along and let's go chasing some landscapes.
Well, there's another topic that arose once we got here. That was our front landing gear. The gears inside need to be replaced. So I've ordered that on Amazon. I've watched Google stuff, and I knew what it was. I've had other issues with the landing leg before. Other items have broke, and landing legs definitely that's an issue. And without proper landing legs, your vacation's not as fun, or your time is not as fun. So let me take you along and show you what I'm looking at. Inside here, it's this landing leg here, and so currently I'm attached, and because that's the only way. We took it off the jack, and we pulled the truck out, and then all of a sudden this trailer, it dropped like 2 inches, just like that, and which was a scary feeling. And so I knew I had to get it back on the truck. So I did get it back on the truck. It was a little challenging, but I did. And so let me show you. This is the landing leg that has failed. The gears that are problematic are up here in the top of it, and they're going to need to be replaced. And so I'm going to have to remove the entire leg and get inside of there and replace the gear. And I'll take you along with me when I do it, because it's an easy fix, and it's a fix that you should know how to do, and I'll show you how to do it. So today's project is all about the landing gear, and it broke a tooth or something inside. I haven't found out. I haven't torn it apart to exactly see it, but I know what it is. And so I'm going to be removing the landing gear today, examining it a little bit, and then tomorrow when we arrive at our new location, I already have the part ordered. It's going to be there. I'm going to reassemble it and put it back up, and voila, new landing gears. Like I said, this is a relatively straightforward piece. This is all the components to the following leg landing gear. And the broken part is actually in between, up in here. When I remove this, what I will be doing tomorrow is I'm going to be replacing this and all the gears that are attached to it. A big reason why it failed, because I didn't use these, and these are grease spots. So if I would have been using these and properly keeping these maintained, this probably would never have happened. Which reminds me, I need to grease the other side. This will help it last a lot longer.
Yeah, okay.
Let me remove this top piece just so you guys can see it.
Here's all the pieces, all the parts. This thing is really bent.
Okay.
There's a little bit of grease.
But this is, see, I can make it slip. And you can see those teeth are worn out. That grease is old and tired. Wow. So tomorrow, I'll be replacing this, both this gear and that gear, and this little bolt goes in between. Loading it full of grease and putting it back up.
Okay, he's got to knock this pin out to be able to remove that bolt. You want me to hold it steady while you...
No,
This might not be the right. Okay.
Where did that pin go?
It's in there.
Oh, okay.
Now we'll see the condition of these gears. This one maybe. Just looking at it.
Okay. Here's the new gears.
New versus old. It doesn't look like it's that bad,
No,
but
it doesn't.
here. But that was enough for some heavy slippage. That made it drop a couple inches on one side, and that was a fairly scary situation there. It's still doesn't fit. This hole is clearly smaller than this one. So that means we're going to have to order another piece.
We've been out of driving our sole vehicle for about 2 weeks now. And so today we tried to repair it, but we got the wrong part for it, for the gear inside of it. And so we just ordered a brand new leg for it. So Jack is installing it right now.
At this point, I'm going to lift this leg up all the way to the end, and that way when I insert this one, we'll just start at the very beginning of it, and it'll be even, and that'll be a good thing. And we are there. So I'll go ahead, and you can see I've actually installed the leg. Now I'm going to install the bar that will make the leg move.
Yes.
I need this to move just a little tiny bit one way. Now, I wonder if I can manually do this, because I really kind of need to manually move that. Yeah.
Oh, this hole wasn't lining up.
Right. Okay. This project should be mostly done right now.
Feets. It needs the feets.
I know. 3 inches. Please be 3 inches. Don't be 2.5. Don't. That's 3 inches.
Yay.
That is freaking done.
Now we just gotta put on the foot
Yeah.
and a few other little things. Beautiful sound.
What's that?
What a beautiful sound.
I know. What a beautiful sound
It's
indeed.
been a long time since we heard that sound. We need to release the Kraken so we can go play.
Okay.
Alright, here's the true test, folks.
Watch out, there's friggin' ant machines around here.
Oh yeah. Your brave soul is... Eesh. This is the scary part. Okay. Hallelujah.
It looks even here. And here. Hi. Well, there it is. That's our episode on how we came across a landing gear failure and how we resolved it. And so, if you have any questions, please let us know. You notice the next time, if I have more time, I think I would prefer just to simply replace the gears, but I didn't want to take a chance that the gears were going to be wrong again, and so I just went ahead and ordered a whole new leg, and that made it really simple and easy, and you get to see that as well. So if you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Otherwise, please like and subscribe, and we look forward to talking to you in the future. Okay, thanks.
Hey, thanks for joining us. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And please share with your friends. Got a question, comment, or suggestion? Please let us know.